Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our home. Today, I'm going to use the air fryer to make we're going to have, our dinner is actually going to be made all in the air fryer. I am going to cook sweet potatoes, and I'll do a sweet potato mash. I'm going to cook asparagus tips. Well, it's going to be a little bit more than the tips, but asparagus and salmon. Yeah, I've never even made salmon before, so this is going to be interesting. Hopefully very tasty. Right now, I have my air fryer heating up to 400 degrees. I got it preheating. I'm going to wash up these sweet potatoes. I've already cut the ends off of them because, you know, they always look kind of puny. But I'm going to cut the ends off of them. Then I'm going to cover them with olive oil, and I'm going to salt them. I've poked some holes in them already. And then we're going to put them in the air fryer for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and during that time and wash my asparagus and get it ready. Nice and dry. Olive oil and pink Himalayan salt. That's what I'm going to put on it. A good heavy coat of oil. We're going to salt them all around. Roll them and salt them. Now, after these finish baking, I'm going to put some cinnamon and butter on it, and probably some maple or vanilla extract, one or the other. Okay, 5 more minutes, and then we'll be ready to bake these potatoes. Meantime, we'll clean up a little bit of mix over here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and spray some non-stick spray, some olive oil on the bottom of my basket, because this, I do tend to have some problems with things sticking to it. Although I've covered the sweet potatoes quite thoroughly with oil, I'm still going to err on the side of caution. So we're going to put these in the basket. And let it cook for at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And then we'll give it a look and see how it's doing. So I'll see you back in 30 minutes. They've been cooking for 30 minutes. So let's just give them a... No, I think they're going to need a little bit longer, but I think what I'm going to do, because they're looking pretty browned up right now, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in a microwave safe dish and finish them off in the microwave. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to cook them for about 3 minutes. I did go ahead and cut the ends off of our asparagus. And I'm drying it off now. You want to make sure you wash it really good. And we're going to dry it off. And then I'm going to spray my basket with the nonstick spray again. And then we're going to put our asparagus to our basket. And I'm going to spread it out as best I can into one single layer. And then I'm going to spritz a little olive oil over it. And then I want to sprinkle some salt on it. And I'm also going to sprinkle some of this Parmigiano Romano cheese on it. I hope that doesn't mess that basket up too bad because I need this again. But put the basket in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 7 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove the peel from these potatoes. Little on the warm side. Of course they are. They just came out of an air fryer into a microwave. Dispose of these peels so they won't be in the way. Go ahead and put some butter on these potatoes. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons. I like butter on mine. Cinnamon. Give these a mash. And I'm going to put honey in these instead. I love honey. This is made locally. So delicious. That will typically work, but not today. That's our asparagus. Smells great. I'm going to put a tablespoon of honey. I'm going to give this another mix to get that all incorporated. Oh, these smell so good. And we're just going to put this off to the side. Next thing is going to be our salmon. I am doing frozen salmon. Set those there out of the way. And, oh, this smells so good. Can you see that? See how I browned them up? Air fryer frozen salmon. Now, I have to tell you, I've never had salmon cooked in this manner. The only way I've ever ate salmon was salmon croquettes. Croquet. Salmon patties. Not sure how to say it. What I'm doing is I'm covering both sides of the fish with olive oil. And I'm putting them in here so that they don't touch each other as much as possible. And now I'm going to put some salt, some olive oil, and some parsley and garlic powder. Just on the tops of these. I'm going to put a little more olive oil on it. Now we're going to salt this. A little garlic powder on each of them. You can use fresh garlic if you want to. Just press you some fresh garlic and some parsley. We're going to cook this at 370 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay. There we go. And in it goes. Wow. Well, it smells really good and it looks good. Okay. Smells rather delicious. And I want to put just a small amount of butter on them, on each one. You can always make a garlic butter if you choose. And there we go. Now for the best part. We're going to taste it. So Tom is going to go ahead and give it a try. As I said, this complete meal was cooked in the air fryer. So
it smells amazing, I will tell you that.
Might be kind of hot.
Baby, that is so good.
Awesome. I don't think he's ever had salmon like that either.
Ever. Wow. I really like the butter. On top of it, the flavor it gives it.
Okay, you want to try? Okay.
Got some of the taters.
Sweet potatoes next.
Yeah, you know me, I love the sweet potatoes.
And
now,
asparagus.
This asparagus. Y'all seen me eat before, you know how I do it, so.
All good, huh?
Bravo.
Okay, well there you go.
3 for 3. Just like UK. Downtown.
Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click the notification bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this. If you have suggestions on air fryer meals of any kind, or suggestions on how to add new spices to this meal, let me know. You all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.